What's up YouTube? This is Hassan from Do It in 10 and this is the part 2 of our business plan for startup series. And in this video, I'm going to give you 10 pro tips on how to write an executive summary. So without any delay, let's jump right into it.
Shut up and sit down.
Whether you're writing your business plan for investment purposes or for just structuring your whole business, writing an executive summary is crucial. It can make or break your whole plan. You see, most serious investors are busy people. They wouldn't have much time to go through each individual or each entrepreneur's whole business plan. So they'll normally look at your business plan executive summary. If they like the idea of your plan, they'll keep reading. Some investors even make their decisions of investments only on the basis of executive summary. So here are top 10 tips that you can follow to write a professional executive summary. The question that I get most often about executive summaries is what should be the ideal length of an executive summary? A simple answer is 2 pages. A general rule that I like to use is to limit my executive summaries to 10% of total length of my business plan. For example, if you write a business plan on 40 pages, your executive summary should be a maximum of 4 pages. Tip number 2 that you should follow while writing executive summaries is knowing your goals. It is really important that you know what you want to achieve from your executive summaries. For example, if you're writing your executive summary for investment purposes, you might want to mention how much profits are you going to make in year 1 or year 2 and so on. If you're writing an executive summary for loan purposes, you might want to mention how long you're going to take to repay the loan or how you're going to pay it. Using the right type of tone while writing your business plan is also very crucial. You might want to write your executive summary in a way to connect with your audience. It is really important that you understand your audience for that purpose. Your audience should feel connected to you while reading the executive summary. You can also use light humor at some points, but try to avoid lame jokes and keep it as professional as possible. Tip number 4 for you to use is follow the KISS rule, which is keep it simple, stupid. You see, your executive summary is only an overview of your whole business, so you don't need to go into much detail. Try to avoid a lot of charts, tables, which makes your executive summary really complex, and try to follow a simple structure while writing the executive summary. You should also try to write your executive summary like you would write a story or an essay to make it more interesting for your reader. The next tip for writing professional business summaries is grab audience's attention, which is highly important. Summaries can be decision makers for you. As I mentioned, a lot of investors make their investment decisions only on the basis of executive summaries. If the investor doesn't like your executive summary, it can ruin your business plan. So you should urge your investor or the reader to keep on reading and read through other parts of the business plan so you can make your whole point in a more efficient way. Try to use as much interesting information as possible, but it should also be relevant to your business. One very effective way to grab your reader's attention is by starting with your problem statement. If the problem that you or your business is going to solve or the opportunity it is going to catch, if it is big enough, you should definitely start your executive summary with that part and then follow with the solution part, like how you're going to solve that particular problem or how you're going to catch that opportunity. But try to summarize your whole problem statement part within one paragraph. Even if you don't start with the problem solution part, you should definitely cover it in later parts of the executive summary. Another really important tip for you is write a very good opener. Just like an opener in the cricket game, the opening paragraph of your executive summary will decide the fate of your whole business or your business plan. So make sure you pay extreme attention to every tiny detail in this paragraph. While writing the first or opening paragraph of your summary, you should keep in mind that you're writing an executive summary within an executive summary. Then comes the essential parts of our executive summary. After the first paragraph of the executive summary is finished, you should write one paragraph for each individual chapter of your business plan. And you should always follow the structure of your whole business plan. For example, if your chapter number 2 is about background information of your business, then your paragraph number 2 in executive summary should be a brief summary of that chapter. And if your chapter number 4 is about market analysis, then paragraph 3 should be about the summary of market analysis. Then paragraph 4 should be competition analysis summary, and so on. If you would like to learn more about business plan structures and how you can make a complete business plan in 10 easy steps, check out my video on business plan series. Tip number 9 for today is write your business objectives. All investors want to know your business goals or objectives or where do you want to take your business within next year. So you might want to write a mission statement, a vision statement, core values, and keys to success. For example, while writing a mission statement, there are 3 W's that you should include: what, why, and where. You should tell your investors what your product is, where you're going to sell it, and why should people care about it, and like how you're going to sell it. Similarly, for your vision statement, you should write where do you want to see your business in next 1 year, next 2 years, or maybe next 5 years. Well, the very last tip for writing executive summary is try to write it at the end. For example, if you're writing your executive summaries for a business plan, let's say, it's always best to write it at the end, because when you're finished with other chapters, you will have enough data, you will have covered all the parts like marketing, strategy, and financials already. So it will be much easier and faster to summarize it in the executive summary. So always try to leave it for the end if you can. A bonus tip for you is try writing a longer version of executive summary first. For example, you can start writing a draft on 4 or 5 pages and then like summarize it step by step, start removing unnecessary parts. Once you reach 2 or 3 pages, you're done with it. And that's it. Top 10 tips you need to follow to write an excellent executive summary. If you would like to learn more about business plans and how to write a professional one and what parts to include, check out my other videos in this business plan series. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in touch and receive notifications for upcoming videos. Finally, click the like button below if this video was valuable to you, and comment below with what you think the most important part of a business plan is and what else should be included in an executive summary. Bye for now and keep hustling.